Welcome students, welcome to the Maths Academy. Hope you have liked my videos. Previous videos I have uploaded that you liked. Now in this session we are going to start with the practice set 1.3 remaining examples. The example number 1, 2, 3, 4 we have taken. Now we are taking example number 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's go towards our fifth example based on the test of similarities. Okay, see here you have given the trapezium PQRS in which the side PQ parallel to side SR, and you have given that the AR is 5 times of AP and AS is equal to 5 times of AQ. Now the question is that how you have to apply the test of similarity here for proving the result SR is equal to 5 times of PQ. To prove this result, we have to show that the two triangles are similar to each other by the test of similarity. Now how will you show and which triangles will you show here? Okay, so you have given AR is equal to 5 times of AP. This AR is 5 times of this AP and AS is equal to 5 times of AQ. As the AR and AS are the sides of the triangle ARS, so you have to show that triangle ARS similar to triangle APQ, as AP and AQ are the sides of the triangle APQ. Okay, so we will consider triangle APQ and triangle ASR. But before that you have to show the two angles of the trapezium are equal to each other. Okay, which two angles? See here. As PQ is parallel to SR, then this PR will be a transversal. If PR is a transversal, then angle QPR is equals to angle SRP by alternate angle test. Okay, so let's write here in trapezium PQRS, PQ parallel to side SR. Okay, diagonal PR is transversal. Now if PR is a transversal, then angle QPR is equals to angle SRP by alternate angle test. Now here A is the point in between P and R. In between P and R there is a point A. So to the angle QPR you can write QPA. Angle QPA is equals to, and to the angle SRP you can write SRA. Angle SRA. This is the first result we have obtained. Similarly, PQ parallel to SR, and now QS is a diagonal if QS is a transversal. Okay, if this QS is a transversal, then angle PQS is equals to angle RSQ. Angle PQS is equals to angle RSQ, and the result is same again by alternate angle test. Reason is same here. Okay, by alternate angle test these two angles are similar, and again here A is the point on QS line segment, that is in place of angle PQRS you can write PQA. Angle PQA is equals to angle RSA. This is the second reason, since Q dash A dash S. Okay, now by using first and second we can prove that the triangle PQA is equals to angle is similar to angle RSA by AA test of similarity. Okay, from 1 and 2 what we can write? From 1 and 2 triangle PQA is similar to triangle RSA by AA test of similarity. Now as the two triangles are similar to each other, then by the definition of similarity, if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. So the corresponding side means here PQ corresponds to RS. The ratio of PQ upon RS is equals to QA upon SA is equal to PA upon AR or RA. Okay, so this is the third condition. Now in third, we will consider only two of the ratio. We have to prove SR is equal to 5 times of PQ. So we will consider this ratio, PQ and SR is needed. So PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon AS. AQ upon AS. Now in place of AS, replace this AS is equal to 5 times of AQ. Okay, so this will imply is that PQ upon RS is equal to AQ upon 5 times of AQ, and result is since AS is equal to 5 times of AQ. AS is equal to 5 times of AQ. Therefore, this AQ get cancelled. We will get here PQ upon RS is equal to 1 upon 5, and by the cross multiplication you will get that 5 times of PQ is equals to 1 time of RS, that is RS only. That is SR is equal to 5 times of PQ, and hence the result. Now students, based on the same concept we have to apply in the sixth example. That's why I have written that both examples simultaneously. This is the sixth example in which also you have given the trapezium ABCD, in which this AC and BD are the diagonal which will be the transversal for the parallel sides CD and AB. Here you have given that AB is equal to 20. Now here you have to prove that SR is equal to 5 times of PQ. It means the corresponding sides of these two triangles are in same proportion. Here the same concept you have to use. You have to prove that the two triangles are similar to each other, and by using that concept you have to find the ratio of their corresponding sides, and hence you have to find OD. See here, you have given AB is equal to 20 here. This CD is equal to 6 you have given. OB is equal to 15 you have given, and OD you have to find. This OD, we will consider OD as X. Okay. The same concept we are going to apply. We will show that triangle ABO is similar to triangle CDO by the AA test of similarity. If these two triangles are similar by AA test, then the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. Okay, and hence by substituting the values here, you will get the value of X. So let's start with the solution. Here side CD is parallel to side AB. Okay, side CD is parallel to side AB. Okay, and if AC is transversal, अगर AC ट्रांसवर्सल है तो एंगल DCA इज इक्वल टू एंगल BAC. एंगल DCA is equal to angle BAC by alternate angle test. Okay, now this implies that angle DCO is equal to angle BAO. This is the first result that we have obtained, since A'(O')C. Similarly, this angle CDO is equals to angle ABO, and this is the second by using B'(O')D. Okay, hence by using these two results, we will write here that triangle CDO is similar to triangle ABO by A test of similarity. Now, as the two triangles are similar by A test, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Now we need only side CD. side AB, side OB and side OD. So we will write here only that sides, that is CD upon AB is equals to DO or OD upon OB. Now substitute the values that you have given. This implies that CD is equal to 6, AB is equal to 20, OD we have to find here and OB is 15. Now by the cross multiplication you will get that 15 multiplied by 6 upon 20. This is the value of OD. That is OD is equal to 90 upon 20 means 4.5. Hence the OD is value of OD 4.5.